Recording. Okay. So, good afternoon, dear students. Now, again, come with the subject strength of material with the new topic, shear force and bending moment. And under this subject, we are going to now discuss an important method how to calculate the bending moment and bending moment and shear force, and how to plot the shear force and bending moment for getting the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. So now we are going to be discuss a shortcut method, section method. Uh, by using that method, we can able to find the value of shear force and bending moment at the desired location in the beam, or then by using that value we can draw the shear force and bending moment diagram, which is desirable in that case. Let's move to the topic today lecture. So that is the simple. I start with the simple numerical. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जो जस्ट carefully आप देख लीजिए इसमें कि कैसे सॉल्व करना है. सेक्शन मेथड, we will take the section at different place in this beam and we calculate the salient value of shear force and bending moment at different location. Now the first step is that if you have such problem and in that problem this notation A, B and C, D are not given, and that case, dear student, we have to be do this by yourself. And how to give this notation? Simply, dear student, where the support is provided, we have in the our syllabus only the support will provided two support only. So at the support we have to be give the notation like give A and B. At this support we have two support, one this and this. So A and B, and rest where the force is acting or where the force start and end. At both point we can apply that notation. So this is the way to proceed the such kind of numerical if it's come in your examination. So dear student, now let's move to this this numerical how to solve by using the section method. So consider a x section at a distance. Any distance we can take six ले सकते हैं. We can take 5. We can take it. This doesn't matter. So we have taken a section x at distance 6 meter from the left support A. So वहाँ से 6 meter पे हमने ये देखो ये section लिया. Then now we can say that we have two beam. One is right side of the section, another is the left side of the section. So imagine cut in the two piece and separated it as shown in that figure. So now you can see the beam is like this. It is just for the solving purpose, not in actually. So do that. Then what the first now how to do that? How to get the shear force and value of the shear force and bending moment in this place? So first start with the left side, then I will solve with that right side. So let's see that. To find the shear force, force experienced by that section. This is a section. This is a section where I have taken that section. Consider the any portion of the beam, taking the left hand side portion. So first हम left वाला portion देखते हैं, then we are calculating the amount of shear force and bending moment at this section. X what we have taken, like here you can see that this is this position at this position here. Okay, then great. So let's do that. What is the transverse force experienced by the beam, this section? How much force it is experiencing? So dear student, आपने नॉर्मल आपको पहले रिकॉल करा दूं थोड़ा सा कि लास्ट क्लास में आपने पढ़ा था, मैंने बताया था आप अपन इस बार ये फॉलो कर रहे हैं. अगर ये एक बीम है और वी हैव टेकन अ सेक्शन हियर एंड वी हैव मार्क इज x, so what the force acting from upward, this is a positive, which is acting from downward, this is a negative, and this is a positive, and this is a negative. So this is a sign convention for the shear force. And every time you just write down at the right side on your notebook that the sign convention what you are adopted for solving that numerical in this way. तो आपको बहुत आसानी हो जाएगी. Let's see the transverse force experience on the section which I have shown in the red color. So क्या होगा? So कितने force लग रहे हैं? Left side you can see there. You can see in this portion how much force is acting. One, this is a reaction 8.2 kilonewton. Another is this point load. We have two. So according to this this sign convention, if this is a section, so what the force acting from downward, this is a positive, and what the force acting from upward, it will be negative. You can see here, this is a happen here. The if 8.2 is a positive because of this sign convention, and 5 is negative because of this sign convention. Are understood these things?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So every time we have to be follow this now. So now this is a value of the shear force which is experiencing by this section. What I have taken, what we have taken here. Now find the bending moment or this section. How much? What the bending moment experienced by this section? How much it's experiencing here? So सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? 8.2. This is 8.2. And the perpendicular distance from this section is 6, and because it is a moving where it is we are finding the okay, we are finding the moment. Okay, that's great. So आप देख सकते हो इसको कि ये ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है, ठीक है. अब मोमेंट निकालना है तो हम पहले आपको बता चुके हैं कि when we are going to be find out the moment. Oh, really difficult. Dear student, are you getting me? हेलो,
यस सर.
मेरी आवाज आ रही क्या?
यस सर, आ रही है.
पावर कट हो गया यार यहाँ कॉलेज में, इसलिए ये हो गया. Sure, no problem. Fine. It must be minus. Okay, great. And that. Oh. चलिए अपन इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. So, हमने देखा कि कैसे इसमें मोमेंट हम निकाल सकते हैं when we are considering the left portion of the beam. This left, because of this left portion हमने वहाँ इस सेक्शन पे निकाला. ट्रांसवर्स फोर्स एक्टिंग ऑन बीम इज 3.2 kilonewton, and moment experiencing on there, that is 8 into this distance 6, and this force and distance, this how much? It is a 2. So it is because of this, it is coming downward, so it's a minus sign. So it's a minus sign. It's a total. If you solve it, it's good. You will get 39.2 kilonewton meter, and it means it's a positive. And this is a also positive. So positive means it's acting upward direction force. For in the case of force. If it is a minus sign, so it will be force acting downward. So this is the meaning of that. So let's move ahead, and then if we consider the right portion means is this one, in this one, and because of that, how much the shear force acting here, and then bending moment, moment is acting over, not bending moment, it's a moment. Okay, bending moment is something different. So we are finding that moment. So here, dear student, transfer force. तो ट्रांसफर फोर्स नाउ आपने ये देखिए, इधर आइए, इधर सेक्शन ले लिया, ये वाला सेक्शन है. So इस सेक्शन के रेस्पेक्ट में this is a what? In this respect of this, if you might be remember, dear students, so this is a positive, this is a negative, this is a positive, and this is negative for the shear force. So you just tell me, then this must be a how much? It is must be a negative sign. ये वाला transverse force, it must be a negative. So 14 point this is must be a negative. ठीक है, तो negative होगा बिल्कुल. And 10 this is come downward, so it must be a positive. आप अपने में correct कर लो. And this is a positive. So if you solve this, you will get this value is 3.2. 3.2. And 3.2 minus. So 3.2 minus means downward. Downward. Okay. So I think, are you understood? Simply, I followed this sign convention. This is a section. So this section, this force is right side of the section. Right side of the section means this, and this acting from downward means positive, and this all both are acting upward. It's positive. It's a positive. So it's come 3.2 kilonewton. 3.2 kilonewton, but it is downward, and this word this is upward. एक downward लग गया, एक upward लग गया, ठीक है. So now next see. Okay, so now the movement experience, how much movement acting over here. So this here, so we have taken this is considered as a fixed one. Then if you are applying the, if you see, if we go for this, you consider this 14.8 and at distance of 9 multiply by 9, and it's a try to move where? Clockwise, anti-clockwise. See, anti-clockwise. It's try to move here, anti-clockwise. Okay, so that's why it's negative sign. Then you just consider is this one second one, and just minus this distance 8 into 8 positive, because it's a corresponding to this, its move is clockwise, so it's a positive, and this is also clockwise respect to this. So this is a positive one, this is a positive one, and this must be negative one. Okay, are you understood? That as simple.
सर ये सर ये 8 into 8 और ये 10 into 3 डिस्टेंस कैसे आया वो थोड़ा सा बता दीजिएगा.
क्या
डिस्टेंस
this is equation
8 into
what
8
is the
8 है.
movement is equal to force into perpendicular distance. So this is the place where you are going to take the moment. So if we were talking about this 8, so 8 into 8, why? Because this is a total is 9, and just you minus this 1, 9 में 1 minus करो, how much you will get? 8. So then 8 is 8 meter from this end. That's why it's become 8 into 8. And next 10, how much distance of the 10 from this end? If you could just you know that you just down, उसको हटाता हूँ मैं. ओके, सो ये वाला डिस्टेंस जो है इसमें ये देखो 1 5 6 माइनस 9 कितना हुआ, ये डिस्टेंस कितनी बची 3. दैट्स वाई 10 into 3, एंड इसको आप सॉल्व कर दीजिए. सो यू विल गेट दिस 90, this is a minus sign, so it means 39.2 kilonewton meter. तो ये वहां से आया सिंपल साइन कन्वेंशंस ऑफ मूवमेंट. देयर इज 3 काइंड ऑफ साइन convention, one for the shear force, one for the bending moment, one for the simple moment. So ये आपको शायद कहानी थोड़ी सी स्टोरी आपको ये समझ में आई होगी. ये इस ऐसा होता है एक्चुअली. So erase all values. Okay, okay. Okay, let's see. Move ahead. So, movement. These terms, movement, you may know. Let's again repeat it. What is the moment? It is the product of force and perpendicular distance from line of action of force and point about which movement is required. What we have did last time? We have suppose you want to consider a moment here. So what the force and the perpendicular distance, line of action of force, that is called the moment. And what is the bending moment? The moment which cause the bending effect on the beam is called the bending moment. Moment which produce the bending moment on the beam, that is called the bending moment. So it is denoted by M or B. Then two terms is also there. What is the shear force diagram? What is the bending moment diagram? The diagram which show the variation of force along the length of the beam is called shear force. Okay, आप अभी समझ में जाओगे, आप टेंशन मत लो, आगे मैं बताता हूँ. What is the bending moment diagram? The diagram which show the variation of bending moment along the length of the beam. In the Bose case, in the shear force diagram, you can see the variation of shear force along the length of the beam, and in the bending moment, you can see the variation of bending moment along the length of the beam. Bending moment diagram. Okay, this is a numericals. So this is a problem we have to be solved today. So dear students, this is a, you know that this is a beam having, this is a roller support, and this is a what? Fixed support. This is a roller, this is a fixed. This beam type is simply supported beam, and force which is acting is what? This is a point or concentrated load. For this load diagram, we have to be draw shear force and bending moment diagram. For that, we need to be calculate the shear force and bending moment diagram. So for that, a simply supported beam is there. So सबसे पहले dear student, we have to be calculate the reaction force here. So in case of fixed beam, we need the reaction force here only, which is acting on the beam, and here which is acting on reaction force which is acting on the beam. ठीक है. So ये क्या है? RA and RB. RA and RB. Now, how can calculate in the I think last two class, in the last class, last class, I have discussed how to calculate the reactions at the support in the case of simply supported beam. So सबसे पहले आप क्या करते हो, देखो जरा, आप सबसे पहले जो भी force acting on the beam, this is a beam structure suppose, which is what the force, the magnitude of force is acting over here. तो आप क्या करते हैं, नीचे से लगने वाले force is equal to the ऊपर से लगने वाले force या summation of the force is equal to 0. The both are the same things. Then RA plus RB equal to, ऐड कर दो सबको, कितना है 23. ये एक इक्वेशन बन गई. Then we take the moment, not bending moment, take the moment about A और B, जो भी आपको लेना है, आप अबाउट अगर ए लेते हो तो आप लिख सकते हो समेशन ऑफ बेंडिंग मोमेंट अबाउट ए इज इक्वल टू 0। अब लेते हैं देन आर बी, जब इसके अबाउट मोमेंट आप लोगे तो आर बी फोर्स वी हैव टू बी टेक दिस, सो आर बी into the total length of the beam is 2 2 3 3, how much, ये 8 हो गया, into 8 into 8 एंड साइन देखो इसमें इधर से फिक्स करो ए को और ये फोर्स को लगाओ तो ये घूमेगा किधर, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, मतलब आर बी माइनस, then you consider this 8, understood, and the perpendicular distance from A 3 to 2 7, okay, and what is the sign here, एक किधर ले जाएगा, पॉजिटिव, ये प्लस होना चाहिए इधर, इट मस्ट बी ए प्लस, अरे नहीं यार यहाँ नहीं, सॉरी सॉरी, यहाँ तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन यहाँ होगा, तो गड़बड़ हो गया मेरे से। let's see again and again, let's see again, okay, that rb into 8 plus 8 into 7 plus consider this 4 10 and perpendicular distance from A how much is 4 and it's a 4, so plus 10 into 4. Then consider this force. How much is plus, because it's
5 into 2.
5 into 2 equal to 0. अब इसको solve कर दो, you will get the value of RB and just put it, this value of RB in that equation number 1, you will get the value of RA. This is the simple method to find the reaction at the support in case of a simply supported beam. आप याद रखिए इसको, ठीक है। अभी इसको मैं हटा रहा हूँ, लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड फर्दर, ओके लेट्स गो अहेड। Okay, let's see. So RA and RB, this is same equation. You can see that, dear student. So RB, how much RB is came here? 13.25, and you just minus this to the 23, and you will get 9.75. And this is equal to RA and RB. So once you know the RA and RB, try to be solved to try to get the value of shear force at different location. So this is the section method, and direct we can find the value of shear force and bending moment direct at the support. So this is a simple method. We have to be take the section before and after the load, before and after the load, before and after the load. This is one of the method. So here 0 0 taken before the load, and after the load 1 1, before the load is 2 2, and the 3 3 after the load, and like this it is reached to up to the 9 9. Okay, you have might understood. Then try to find the shear force. So my dear student, what is the shear force? In shear force कहाँ निकालेंगे? इस 1 1 पे, 1 1 लोकेशन पे shear force कितना होगा? देखिए जरा, V00 पे तो कोई फोर्स लग नहीं रहा है, तो वो 0 हो गया। V हम shear force को डिनोट कर रहे हैं, एंड V11 मतलब यहाँ इस 1 1 के अंदर कितना लोड आ रहा है? RA के बराबर। RA कितना है? 9.75। और क्योंकि ये क्या है? shear force है, तो shear force के लिए आप हमेशा आपको पता है ये है, इसके लिए नॉर्मल, इसके लिए साइन कन्वेंशन, ये वाला पॉजिटिव, ये नेगेटिव, ये वाला पॉजिटिव, ये वाला नेगेटिव, ठीक है। सो ऐसा ये साइन कन्वेंशन फॉलो करो। यहाँ है, चलिए 2 2 पे आइए, 2 2 पे आइए तो आपके पास कौन से लोड है? ओनली एक ही तो है, तो सेम हो जाएगा, वही जो पहला आया 1 1 पे, ये देख लीजिए। देन 3 3 पे आइए, हाँ ये वाला फोर्स भी इंक्लूड हो गया, ये वाला 5 न्यूटन का, then you have to be consider it. So this is, it must be positive and this must be negative. Then 9.75 minus 5 is 4.75, and come to the here 4.4, no force in between these 3 3 and 4 4, so the 4 4 is also the same value what they having, V33 9. Now come to the V55 55, yes 10 is there, so you have to be, consider this 10, तो कंसीडर कर लीजिए, तो ये आएगा -5.25 है सिंपली। देन 6 6 में आइए तो सेम, इट विल नो लोड, सो इट विल बी सेम एज द 55 V55 एट V66, Now V77, yeah, we have to look at this 8 also. So this 8, and because it's acting from downward, your section is the right side, so you have to be take this one now, this negative. Here you can see that. तो फिर माइनस कर देंगे तो -13.25। सिमिलरली आप V88 में जाएंगे, V88 में भी वही कोई लोड नहीं है, देन V99 में जाएंगे तो अब क्या हो जाएगा, ये पॉजिटिव, ये नीचे से देखो ये वाला एक पॉजिटिव है, एक इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग 9 के करस्पॉन्डिंग जाइए तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, ऊपर से लगने वाला पहले से नेगेटिव था, इसके इधर से पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा तो वो 0 हो जाएगा। इसका मतलब यहाँ पर शेयर फोर्स की वैल्यू एट द एंड, जब एंड पे पहुंचेगा कॉर्नर पे तो 0 इधर इस साइड, इधर 99 पे और 0 सपोर्ट पे नहीं, सपोर्ट से पहले, इधर सपोर्ट के बाद, ठीक है। तो ये तरीका है डायरेक्ट शेयर फोर्स निकालने का। अब शेयर फोर्स को कैसे हम प्लॉट करते हैं, लेट अस सी दैट हियर स्टूडेंट, दैट्स सिंपल, यू हैव नो द ऑल द रिस्पेक्टिव वैल्यू। देखिए जरा, यहाँ पर क्या था 9.75 पॉजिटिव में था, तो इसको रेफरेंस लाइन मान लीजिए जो ये वाली लाइन है, तो 9.75 ऊपर ले लिया, कोई अंदाजा से, कोई स्केल नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, तो 9.75 न्यूटन। देन यहाँ पर भी 9.75 ही है, आपने वहाँ वैल्यू निकाली, तो स्ट्रेट चले आए, फिर यहाँ पर ये 5 की वजह से नीचे आया तो 4 ये है यहाँ पर, इसी से 4.75, देन कांस्टेंट, फिर देन 100 लगा, देन इट्स गो डाउन, दैट -5.25 आया, तो वो वहाँ से वहाँ तक माइनस हो गया, देन इट्स सेम वैल्यू, देन 8 और नीचे जाएगा 5.25 से तो 13.82, देन दिस, so this becomes the shear force diagram. So you have to draw this kind of shear force diagram in the all problem which is come in the any form of the numerical. So let's find the bending moment. Bending moment बेटा भी बहुत आसान है निकालना, उसके लिए आप देख लो क्या है कि ये डायग्राम आपको चाहिए होगा, this is a problem, we need this diagram, okay, how great, let's move it। इसके लिए हमको थोड़ा सा हटाना पड़ेगा, तो लेट्स मूव दिस, okay, let's find the bending moment at A. What is the bending moment at A? It must be 0, and at C,
yes, sir.
C, the distance from this 2, and load is A, load at A, what, how much it was? It was 9.75, reaction at the B, and distance is 2. Now it is because you are going to find the bending moment now, so they have to consider the new sign convention. Which one? This one. If the beam try to move upward, mean case of sagging is positive, it's beam try to downward, it's a hogging, it means negative. So let's finish this right now. Then this CMC 9.75 into 2, this distance only. Then come to the D. D is how much force is there. If you are going to be calculate the bending moment here, so you have to consider this force and this force. So like this, here is 9.75. So अब आपको दोनों को कंसीडर करना पड़ेगा। आइए, so यहाँ है D पे 9.75 into 4, डिस्टेंस कितनी हो गई 4 की, माइनस दिस 5, डिस्टेंस कितनी हो गई D से 5 की 2, so this 2, MD is equal to 29 Newton meter. Then आप E में चले आइए, so you have to consider this force, then ME is equal to 9.75 into this total distance is 7 minus 5 into this distance into a 5, and there's this, as simple this sign convention. If the load is acting from a downward to downward, so it will be a negative. If it is acting upward direction, so it will be a positive. So आप ये सीधे इसको solve कर लेंगे, so you will get, and here must be a zero load, where the support at the support bending moment is 0. So ये हो गया shear force और bending moment आपका। चलो ये हो गया
सर। ये एम 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 एमई वाला बताइएगा, एमई वाला
एमई वाला यहाँ से यहाँ तक का पूरे लोड वी हैव टू बी कंसीडर, देन आर ए मतलब 9.75, द टोटल डिस्टेंस इज 2 2 एंड दिस इज
One.
हाउ मच, this 2 2 2 and
7 7.
4 2 to 4 and it is a 3, so it is 2.2, it is I think it must be 4 na, let's see that how much it is, 2, ठीक है कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, so you take this distance no problem, 4 2 to 4 and 3 7 कर लो इसमें, हाँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं, वो कभी को पोस्ट को छोड़ सकते, then 2 to this no so okay it's fine it's a b, हाँ b the 8 total, b means this one, okay, so b is this one, so distance of ra from b is 8 and 5 to distance this is a 6 and 10 से इसकी distance कितनी है 4 and 8 से 1, simple perpendicular distance, concept of the moment but sign convention from the bending moment, ऐसे चलेगा।
सर इसमें किस साइड, इसमें मतलब टुवर्ड्स बी तरफ देखते हैं मतलब डिस्टेंस।
एक सेकंड, so this is a final shear force and bending moment diagram, ऐसे आपको आपको बनाना पड़ेगा, ओके इस तरह से, so